This one is a recent breakthrough nung ginamit natin yung crypto. This is he was a 69-year-old male farmer from Bicol. Nag-walk-in siya, tapos I found out na sabi niya hindi daw siya nakagat ng insect or something. I tried antibiotics, anti-inflammatory, and then side by side, I used crypto to empirically manage the patient. Kasi wala akong ginawa, hindi ko CT scan, blood test, kasi galing siyang Bicol. Gusto niya gumaling agad. Actually, he was referred to by neighbor niya na naging pasyente ko. Next slide. After 1 week, nawala agad. With crypto.
Just externally?
Yeah, it's externally. It's like inflammation of the muscle, but I don't know if it's viral, tumorous, or something that there is other process. Gusto ko nga sa kanya, i-CT scan ko siya after. Kasi it's a drastic and dramatic change. In 1 week, nawala. With crypto, antibiotic, anti-inflammatory. That's why convergence of natural medicine to synthetic medicine, pinagsabay ko. Tuwan-tuwa si tatay. Pag uwi ng Bicol, bumili ng 2 box ng crypto. Pero hindi ko na nakita. Kung hindi na nagpakita kasi gumaling bigla eh. Yun ang mahirap sa pasyente, pag gumaling, hindi na nagpapakita. Pero pag hindi gumaling, bigla kang, ba't ganun daw, walang nangyayari. Gusto kang balik-balikan, di ba? Next slide. This one is some testimonies from other countries like this one with type 1 diabetes for 13 years. Nung nag-take siya ng crypto, bumababa siya ng from 22.5% ng blood sugar niya, naging 7%. In just 25 days, bumaba agad ang sugar niya. And this one, yung ito po yung naging itsura ng isa. Kasi may type 1 diabetes siya dati. Medyo medyo toxic ang itsura niya. Right now, nagkaroon din ng tremendous improvement after taking crypto. Next slide. And this one with non-healing wounds. Diba po pag may diabetes, nagkakasugod sa paa, nagkakaroon ng secondary bacterial infection, minsan fungal infection. Nag-take po siya ng crypto and it dried up at saka nag-shrink siya, nawala yung oozing inflammatory process ng sugat. Mas lumiit yung area ng sugat at medyo kita yung nakangiti na si nanay. And this also, ito yung diameter ng ulceration. Di ba pag may diabetes, ang tagal-tagal bago gumaling. Pero with the side-by-side synthetic drugs and natural medicine like crypto and cleanse, mas mabilis na nag-improve yung kanyang sugat. Next slide. And this one, nag-take naman siya ng crypto because of nagkaroon siya ng parang egg size wound. Diabetic din po siya. Ito po, medyo malalim siya hanggang sa bumabaw po. After taking crypto. And this one, medyo ito, naging naging chronic diabetic talaga siya kasi more than 700 ang kanyang sugar. Kumbaga, nagiging toxic talaga. Pero bumaba siya up to 107 ang reading ng sugar niya. Next slide. And also, meron dito mamaya tayong slide, merong isang 4 years old, meron siyang 2 to 3 cm growth, both sides of the neck. Scheduled na siya for operation, but taking crypto for a week, biglang nawala, hindi na siya inoperahan. Mamaya po yung slide, hindi po kasi nakasabay dyan. Next slide. Okay na. And then this one, with chronic inflammatory process, ito naman, hindi siya recorded diabetic, pero pag fungal, we call it opportunistic infection. Pag mababa yung natin, immune system, yung fungal infection madali sa ating dumapo at matagal gamutin. Pag fungal infection, pinaka-shortest treatment is 1 to 2 months. Kasi nanabot ng 6 months. Nakita niyo po, this one, meron siyang excoriations, meron siyang crust forming, bigla siyang nagkaroon ng dried up, tsaka naging fleshy na yung kulay. Kasi before, black and greenish na merong brownish. This one, nagiging fleshy. Pag fleshy na yung color niya, mas nagiging natural na yung skin niya. And also, this one from Bangkok, nagkaroon siya ng lymphatic problem, nagkaroon siya ng swelling of the legs, swelling of extremities. After taking of crypto, tingnan niyo po, nagkakaroon din siya ng mga skin lesions. Right now, medyo nag-improve siya. Kasi lymphatic system, maraming manifestation. Skin problem, tapos nagkaroon ng swelling. Next slide. In this one, meron po siyang stage 2 cancer. And then, after that, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, yun po, hindi natin na-advise na itigil yung chemo and radiation. But with the help of crypto and PPAR side by side, during the treatment, just only for 3 months, nawala na yung burden niya, tapos parang mas gumanda yung outlook niya kasi mas naging malakas siya. Kasi di ba pag may tumor tayo or cancer, mahina, lalo na pag nag-chemotherapy. And this one with acute renal failure, almost na ICU na to, tapos nag-loss siya ng weight, almost 28 kilos. And then after taking crypto, ngayon medyo malakas na po siya. Ito, nakangiti na siya dito.